Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we are in Santa Ana, California with Fabcon Incorporated. For over 42 years, Fabcon has been providing manufacturing services to a diverse range of customers and industries worldwide. The company is proud to say that they are a single-source provider with a vertically integrated manufacturing facility that includes engineering design services, precision sheet metal, machining, electronic assembly, powder coat, painting, printing, final assembly, and testing, as well as worldwide logistics. The company has proudly transitioned several products from international supply chains to Made in America at their Fabcon facility. Their creative engineering, extensive manufacturing expertise, and worldwide supply chain partnerships continue to demonstrate their passion for excellence. Customers range from promising startups to Fortune 500 companies. The breadth of Fabcon's manufacturing capability is expansive. Fabcon offers an extensive array of products that range from fabricated parts and fully engineered complex systems to a line of self-service kiosks, retail systems, and digital displays. Fabcon has amassed a superior team of employees, many of whom have been here for decades. Fabcon has earned a stellar reputation for delivering quality products on time and a focus on customer service and support. Their 120,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility is certified by the International Standards Organization and includes ISO 9001 and AS 9100D certifications. Fabcon is also an SBA HubZone Corporation, a UL certified facility, and provides significant scalability for small to large multi-year contract production runs. Come visit them at fabcon.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.